Let's explore creative AI chat and discover how artificial intelligence can be playful, imaginative, and surprisingly creative in conversations. Creative AI goes beyond answering questions. It cracks jokes, spins stories, and even writes poems with genuine flair. Think of the AI playground as a space where imagination runs free, like chatting with a friend who always has fresh ideas. AI learns language patterns and different writing styles, then combines them to create something new, like Shakespearean pizza poems. Try asking it to write a short poem about pizza in Shakespeare's style and watch how it blends the everyday with the artistic. Whether it's crafting poetry, plotting stories, or composing song lyrics, AI taps into its creative side for each one. This flexibility lets AI switch between comedy, thriller, and rap, adapting its voice to match any genre you want. Why did the robot eat a light bulb? Because it wanted a light snack. The door creaked open, but no one was there. Your prompts guide the AI's responses, creating a back and forth that shapes the creative output together. Tell it to pretend it's a wizard teaching magic, and it'll play along perfectly. This teamwork between you and AI generates that spark of creative excitement in every interaction. As an educational tool, creative AI helps with English practice, storytelling adventures, and improving writing skills through suggestions. Fun learning and interactive education become the same thing when AI makes acquiring knowledge this engaging. Neural networks power all this creativity behind the scenes. These neural networks work like giant mathematical webs, processing information through interconnected pathways. AI learns from massive amounts of data, recognizes patterns, and produces responses that feel genuinely human and creative. The innovation possibilities connect everything: games, storytelling, helping writers, and supporting students in their learning. AI combines logical thinking with imaginative creation, showing machines can be both systematic and wonderfully creative. Now it's your turn to try some creative prompts with AI chat. These prompts range in complexity: poetry at level 4, time travel at 6, cat robot chat at 5, and scary stories at 7. Basketball rules, homework rap, and food superheroes form creative challenges that blend everyday topics with wild imagination.